What's happening, Learn Crypto TV family? So today we back with our third and last part of the series about the crypto wallets. So we'll definitely be talking about the Trust Wallet this time, man. Hopefully you've been over the three videos or episodes that you've been picking up information to see which wallet is going to be best for your particular situation. You know what I'm saying? I also use the Trust Wallet. You know, I'll share a little bit of what I got in there because I do have some crypto in there. Not all of my crypto is there, but I have some crypto in there. You know what I'm saying? And I'll show you actually how that works, the user interface, so you can see how good that looks as well. But in the meantime, in between time, as you can see, is a good day today for some college football. You know what I mean? Florida State, the real #1 team in the country, is getting ready to play at 3:30 today. And you know, until then, I'll best be doing some work right here. As you can see, Tax Geeks 365. If you need your taxes done and you in Tampa, if you in Florida, hey, you could be anywhere in the country. We can do your taxes right here. You know what I'm saying? Just get at me, CryptoKingCarlos@gmail.com, and we'll take care of you. But in the meantime, we'll see you right after these messages and the explanation in thorough of the Trust Wallet. And after that, we'll come back and talk about it. Crypto King is not a financial advisor.
You gon' learn today, you gon' learn today, you gon' learn today. Had to get it off, why not be the boss? Started in Tampa Bay. Life in the matrix will crumble you. Poverty struggle will humble you. Florida State, relocate, pack my bags and I moved to Colombia. Hola mujeres bonitas, they say that it's cheaper to keep her. That's why I learn more than you. Crypto, I'm learning you. Learn Crypto TV is turning to. Please don't waste my time. Learn, yeah. Please don't waste my time. Learn today. Crypto TV. Please don't waste my time. Learn Crypto TV. Please don't waste my time. Learn Crypto TV.
Trust Wallet is a versatile software cryptocurrency wallet available both on mobile and as a desktop browser extension. You can use Trust Wallet to transact and store a variety of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and even NFTs. You can also interact with dApps through an open source browser directly via their mobile app. But first things first, here's how you can set up Trust Wallet on your Android or iOS smartphone. First, download the app from the Google Play Store or the App Store. Make sure to double check that you're installing the legitimate version of the app. You can do this by getting a download link from the official website on trustwallet.com to be sure. Once you have installed the Trust Wallet app, open it, and you'll be prompted to create a new wallet or import an existing one. For now, let's select Create a New Wallet. You'll then need to accept the terms and conditions. Then create a 6-digit passcode for you to access the app and approve transactions later on. Next, you'll be given some important reminders regarding your 12 to 24 word seed or recovery phrase, which will be shown to you. Next, after you're shown your seed phrase, it's highly advisable not to click on copy or store the passphrase in your device, but instead write down your seed phrase and keep it somewhere safe. In the next screen, you'll be asked to verify that you've noted down your secret phrase by arranging them in the correct order. You should always make sure to keep your recovery phrase in a safe place, as this is the only way to access your wallet and your funds should you lose access to your device or forget your password. And voila! You've just completed your wallet setup. That wasn't so hard, was it? Now, to start using the wallet, you'll need to get hold of some funds. You can either do this by purchasing crypto directly from the app or by transferring crypto from another wallet or exchange where your funds are. Let's first look at how you would purchase crypto directly on the app. On the home screen, you'll see the Buy button. Select the crypto you want to buy from the many options available, where you'll be quoted the best exchange rate from one of their several third-party providers. Click Buy, and you'll be redirected to a payment gateway where you can make your purchase via debit or credit card. Do note, though, that there is a $50 minimum purchase requirement, and there are typically higher fees involved when purchasing directly with your card. What about if you've already purchased crypto on a centralized exchange and want to transfer your funds into Trust Wallet instead? To self-custody your funds in Trust Wallet, click on Receive on the home screen. Select the desired crypto, and you'll be shown a QR code along with an address which you can send crypto to. If you use Binance or Coinbase to buy your crypto, that's good news for you, as Trust Wallet has additional integrations with these exchanges, which makes transferring funds even simpler. On the bottom of the Receive screen, you'll see Deposit from Exchange, which can initiate a direct transfer from your Binance or Coinbase account. Just select your exchange and follow the prompts. If you've used another exchange, don't worry, as the process will still be relatively simple. Copy the address from your Trust Wallet, log into your exchange account, navigate to the Withdrawal section, select the coin and amount you want to withdraw, then carefully paste the address on the exchange withdrawal page or click on the square icon to scan the QR code on your Trust Wallet. Then double-check the transaction details and confirm. Make sure that the address entered is correct and that you have selected the right network for the crypto you're transferring. The next thing we'll go over briefly is how to install Trust Wallet's recently released browser extension, which you can use on your desktop to interact with dApps. Head over to Trust Wallet's official site and go over to the Browser Extension tab and click on Get Trust Wallet. You'll be directed to your browser app store where you can download the extension, which is available on many browsers such as Chrome, Brave, and Opera. And again, similar to the mobile wallet, you'll be prompted to either create a new wallet or import an existing wallet. You'll then need to set a password for the wallet and then follow a couple of additional steps before you're done with the wallet setup. Pretty simple. UI, UX-wise, it's very similar to other browser extension wallets. Trust Wallet has the added benefit of having popular chains like BNB Chain, Avalanche, and Polygon added out of the box. Last but not least, you need to know how to import, export, or restore your Trust Wallet if you've lost or switched your device, or reinstalled your app for whatever reason. Importing your Trust browser extension wallet into your phone and vice versa will also follow similar steps. This is where your seed phrase is crucial, but make sure you're on the official apps and be wary of phishing attempts. If you've just installed the app, you can click on I already have a wallet straight away and follow the prompts from there. Otherwise, go to the settings page, select wallets, then tap on the plus button where you can do the same. Select multi-coin wallet, then key in your seed phrase here, and voila, you're done. If your funds are not being displayed correctly, you may simply have to click on Add Tokens and toggle on the desired crypto. A side note, on the off chance you need to view your seed phrase again, you can still do so while you still have access to your mobile or browser extension wallet. In the mobile app, head over to Settings, then go to Wallets and click on the ellipses next to the desired wallet. Then click on Show Secret Phrase, where you'll be prompted for your passcode to view it. You can also do the same on the browser extension. Click on Settings and View Secret Phrase. Keep it somewhere else safe this time. So to wrap up, Trust Wallet may be the choice for you if you're looking for simplicity and ease of use, as well as versatility in exploring different blockchain networks, as well as EVM chains.
All right, family. So now you've had your explanation of the Trust Wallet, and you saw that the little different features that they have and the things that you can do to use for your particular crypto portfolio or situation. It is definitely imperative for you to be able to, like I said, pay attention to, the intricacies of this, because when you're copying and pasting those long words, those long phrases, is your public wallet address. If you miss one letter, it's over with. Crypto's in cyberspace somewhere. You know what I mean? So you got to pay attention to it. Those seed phrases that's being talked about, man, you cannot let anybody see those, you know what I'm saying, outside of the other people who you want to know, you know what I'm saying, just in case something happened to you, because you got to have some type of backup or have it backed up somewhere and somebody can get access to it if they needed to. You know what I'm saying? So, but we'll talk about that, custody and your seed phrases and other security measures on a different episode, because there's been some things that's been happening that's keeping people from getting into crypto because they are scared of being scammed or being taken advantage of and all of these other types of things. But, there's definitely precautions and steps that you could take in order to prevent that from happening to you, and that's what these episodes around here, because we just want to start on the low end with these wallets for you to choose, because not everybody's going to have $150. Not everybody's going to have $300 to go invest in these top of the line cold storage or cold storage wallets, you know what I'm saying, and stuff like that at the beginning, getting into crypto, especially for a beginner. So this is why I'm doing this, to help you out, you know what I mean? Those of whom who are seasoned and you know what I mean, then you could just use this in order to be able to uplift somebody else or help them or refer them to look at these videos, because everybody's going to need assistance, because there's going to be a learning curve once the entire financial landscape has been shifted. There's going to be a learning curve, and there's going to be a lot of people losing money because they don't know what to do. But you could get ahead of that right now just by looking at Learn Crypto TV and understanding these programs. Let me pause. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them down in the comment area. All right. You know what I'm saying? Remember to like, subscribe, and share the content. And also, if I got a free ebook, so if you want that, CryptoKingCarlos@gmail.com, and that'll be able to help you look at the different centralized exchanges, the wallets, more wallets in addition to what we've been talking about, these two on this 3-part series here. I have information about how to keep yourself safe, you know what I'm saying, and other things, explanations, definitions of terms, because you got to learn some of these terms when you hear people talking about FUD and FOMO and HODL and whale and all of these different terms. You got to know what they're talking about so you can understand what these assets that they're explaining, what it really means. You understand what I'm saying? So just to tell you, that's why I tell you DYOR, do your own research, because a lot of people are not going to go too far in depth about explanation. I try to go more further than they do, you know what I mean? But I'm certainly not going to do every single thing, because if I did everything, then you are not going to put forth effort to go do anything. So that's why you have to DYOR. But anyway, give me a second here. Let me go pull up my wallet. I'll show you a little bit about my wallet there, and then we'll wrap up the program after that, because as you can see, Lee Corso is getting ready to do his head pick, and I am an avid college football fan, and I got to see that. So anyway, we'll see y'all on the next clip.